Really bummed out that I prepared something for her, but we're not able to show it. Well, where do I start? From the day I met you, I thought you were just a simple girl. And slowly, I started to know you even more. And because of that, I started to see your true self. And something has inspired me from you. When you want something, you do it from your heart and dedication. I wish that all your dreams come true, whether it makes you alone. And I hope they make you happy. I know that God has so much planned for you, and I hope they're the best.
Sister San, hindi yata kita friend sa Facebook.
Ha?
Hindi kita friend sa Facebook.
Ano ba nakapag-Facebook ka na?
Calling book lang. Calling call.
Alam mo ba? Meron na rin mga anak ko nagahan.
Ay, bravo.
One time or another, sets off something we can't explain. And
Saka isipin mo ha, nag-aaral sa Kibada yan. Yung iba-ibang bata.
Yun na.
Thank you very much for all the 18 roses. So let us have now a group picture. Thank you once again. So let us give us a round of applause, please.